On a peaceful island with no predators, lived a strange bird in the dodo. It couldn't fly, and it wasn't afraid of humans. For thousands of years, the dodo lived safely. But when humans arrived, everything changed. They hunted it, destroyed its nests, and brought animals that ate its eggs. And in just a few decades, by the year 1681, the dodo vanished forever. A bird that trusted humans and paid the ultimate price. If you want to hear more interesting stories like this, then like, comment, and subscribe.